Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to IK Sir Chemistry classes. In this video, we will discuss the Waker process. It is an important topic of chemistry. It is in accordance with the syllabus of BSc semester 6 and MSc semester 4. It is also very much beneficial for the students appearing at JAM, NET, JRF and GATE examinations. First of all, introduction of the Waker process. The Waker process was developed in the late 1950s primarily for the manufacture of acetaldehyde from ethylene. It means the Waker process was developed for the manufacture of acetaldehyde from ethylene. This method involves the aerial oxidation, that is, oxidation by air of ethylene in the presence of PdCl2 and CuCl2 catalysts at 120 degree centigrade temperature and 4 atm pressure. It must be noted that the Waker process involves the aerial oxidation of ethylene in the presence of PdCl2 and CuCl2 catalysts at 120 degree centigrade and 4 atm pressure. The reaction involved in the Waker process is as follows. Ethylene reacts with O2 that comes from air forming acetaldehyde, that is ethanol. This reaction is carried out in the presence of PdCl2 and CuCl2 catalysts at 120 degree centigrade and 4 atm pressure. This reaction involves the change in Gibbs free energy equal to minus 197 kilojoule per mole. This reaction is thermodynamically favorable and spontaneous because it leads to decrease in the Gibbs energy of the system. It must be remembered that any physical process or any chemical reaction is spontaneous and thermodynamically favorable only when it leads to decrease in the Gibbs energy of the system. This reaction has some interesting and noteworthy mechanistic features. The Waker process consists mainly of the following three steps. First, oxidative hydrolysis of ethene to acetaldehyde promoted by PdCl2. Ethylene reacts with water and PdCl2 forming acetaldehyde plus palladium plus HCl. This reaction is oxidative hydrolysis of ethylene. Why oxidation? Because oxygen atom is attached to ethylene molecule. Second step, oxidation of Pd to PdCl2 by CuCl2. In the first step, PdCl2 is reduced to Pd and then it is oxidized back. Pd is oxidized back to PdCl2 by CuCl2. But during this process, CuCl2 is itself reduced to CuCl. And the third step, oxidation of CuCl to CuCl2 by passing air. Cuprous chloride plus HCl produced in the first step react with air forming cupric chloride and water. It must be noted that in the first step of the reaction, PdCl2 is consumed while it is reproduced in the second step. CuCl2 is consumed in the second step but it is reproduced in the third step. It means PdCl2 and CuCl2 are not consumed during the reaction and hence they act as catalyst. On adding the above three steps, the overall reaction is as follows. Ethylene plus O2 from air react together forming CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde, and during this reaction PdCl2 and CuCl2 act as catalyst. Commercial viability of the process. The commercial viability of the reaction is due to the formation of catalytic cycle. By reoxidizing palladium metal in situ to PdCl2, we have just seen that in the first step of the reaction, PdCl2 is reduced to Pd, and Pd can be reoxidized to PdCl2 in the reaction medium. For this purpose, CuCl2 is introduced in the reaction medium, and thus a catalytic cycle is obtained, and PdCl2 and CuCl2 are not consumed during the reaction, and these facts make the Wacker process commercially viable. Mechanism. The Wacker process proceeds through the following steps. The Wacker process proceeds through mainly 5 steps. PdCl2 combines with Cl- ions present in the reaction medium, forming a 16 electron square planar complex PdCl4 2- ion. It means the catalyst PdCl2 combines with chloride ions present in the reaction medium, forming a 16 electron square planar complex PdCl4 2- ion. PdCl2 reacts with 2 Cl- ion present in the reaction medium, forming PdCl4 2-. It is a square planar complex. Like this, 2 negative charge is present on the coordination sphere. Its IUPAC name will be tetrachloropalladate 2, and its electron count is equal to 16. How the electron count comes to be 16 we can calculate here. There are 10 valence electrons in palladium atom, -2 for +2 oxidation state. Each Cl- ion contributes 2 electrons, that is 1 electron pair to the electron count, and hence 2 into 4, because there are 4 Cl- ions, it will be 8 plus 8, that is 16. The electron count of Pd2+ ion in PdCl4 2- ion is 16. It is a 16 electron square planar complex. One of the Cl- ions of PdCl4 2- ion is substituted by ethylene molecule, forming a complex compound Pd dihaptoethene Cl3- charge. Its IUPAC name will be trichloro-dihaptoethene palladate 2. This is the square planar complex. Its Cl- ion is substituted by ethylene molecule. This Cl- ion comes outside the coordination sphere, and ethene molecule enters into the coordination sphere of Pd2+ ion. It must be noted that this reaction should be balanced with respect to charge also. The charge on the left hand side is 2-, and on the right hand side the charge is -1, that is 2-. Hence this reaction is balanced with respect to charge also. One of the Cl- ion is replaced by ethylene molecule. The Cl- ion ligand of this complex, this one, situated trans to ethylene ligand which has high trans effect, is replaced by H2O molecule, forming a neutral complex, this one. It means the Cl- ion situated trans to ethylene molecule is substituted by H2O molecule, forming a neutral complex. Ethylene molecule has a tendency to activate Cl- ion opposite to it towards substitution reaction. This is called trans effect of ethylene. This is why the Cl minus ion of this complex situated trans 2 ethylene molecule is replaced easily by H2O molecule, forming a neutral complex as follows. The Cl minus ion situated trans 2 ethylene molecule is replaced by water molecule, forming this complex. Here also the reaction is balanced with respect to charge. The charge on the left hand side is equal to -1 and on the right hand side the charge is also -1. It is a neutral complex. It may be noted that during the formation of this complex from PdCl2 to minus ion, -2 charge disappears, -2 charge is lost. The crucial step in the Waker process is nucleophilic attack by free H2O molecule on the coordinated ethylene molecule of this neutral complex, forming an anionic complex containing beta hydroxyethyl group sigma bonded to palladium atom. It is the main step of the reaction in which the coordinated ethylene molecule undergoes nucleophilic attack by H2O molecule, forming an anionic complex in which beta hydroxyethyl group is sigma bonded to palladium atom. Let us see the reaction. This is coordinated ethylene molecule of the neutral complex. It undergoes nucleophilic attack. Ethylene molecule undergoes nucleophilic attack on coordinated this one, forming this hydrogen is lost as H plus ion here, and OH minus gets attached to CH2 group, and this CH2 gets attached to palladium atom. This is alpha carbon, it is beta carbon. This group is ethyl group to which OH group is attached to beta carbon atom, and hence its name is beta hydroxyethyl group. This is the crucial step of the reaction in which coordinated ethylene molecule of the neutral complex undergoes nucleophilic attack by H2O molecule, forming beta hydroxyethyl group sigma bonded to palladium atom, and it is an anionic complex. The loss of two Cl minus ions from PdCl2 2- during its conversion to this neutral complex removes the anionic charge from the metal, and it facilitates the nucleophilic attack by H2O. If there were 2- charge on this complex, the nucleophilic attack will be discouraged due to repulsion between minus charge and lone pair of electron of H2O. But here there is no charge, it is a neutral complex, and hence the nucleophilic attack is favorable, takes place easily. Nucleophilic attack by H2O on coordinated ethylene in this neutral complex is facilitated, forming beta hydroxyethyl group attached to palladium by sigma bond in an anionic complex. This is the crucial step in the Waker process. The final and the rate determining step of the reaction involves beta hydride elimination reaction with loss of vinyl alcohol molecule, which tautomerizes immediately to acetaldehyde, which is the desired product. In the final step of the reaction, beta hydride elimination reaction takes place, forming vinyl alcohol molecule and metal hydride complex. Vinyl alcohol tautomerizes immediately to acetaldehyde, which is the desired product. It has been represented as follows. This is beta hydroxy ethyl group, sigma bonded to palladium in an anionic complex. This beta hydrogen atom is transferred to metal atom, and this bond is transferred here. As a result, the product is palladium bonded to hydrogen atom and CH2 double bond CHOH. This is vinyl alcohol and an anionic complex. Vinyl alcohol tautomerizes to acetaldehyde, which is the desired product, and this anionic complex transforms into HCl, Cl minus ion, H2O and palladium. The catalytic cycle for the Waker process is given below. This is PdCl4 2 minus ion. Its one Cl minus is replaced by ethylene molecule, forming this complex compound having 1 minus charge. Ethylene molecule is coordinated to palladium atom. Then the Cl minus ion situated trans to ethylene molecule, which has high trans effect, is replaced by H2O molecule, and as a result the negative charge on the coordination sphere disappears. Thereafter the coordinated ethylene molecule undergoes nucleophilic attack by H2O with liberation of H plus ion, and it leads to the formation of beta hydroxy ethyl group, sigma bonded to palladium, and it has minus charge on the coordination sphere. Thereafter, the sigma bonded beta hydroxy ethyl group undergoes beta hydride elimination reaction. This beta hydrogen is transferred to metal atom, and vinyl alcohol is formed, which tautomerizes to acetaldehyde. Finally, this anionic complex loses HCl, Cl minus ion, H2O and palladium. Palladium is oxidized by cupric ion to Pd2 plus ion, and Pd2 plus ion combines with 4 Cl minus ion, forming this square planar complex. During this process, Cu2 plus is reduced to Cu plus. Cu plus is again oxidized to Cu2 plus by air, and thus the catalytic cycle is completed. If the alkene is unsymmetrical, if the alkene used in Waker process is unsymmetrical, the nucleophilic attack by H2O is regioselective for the more substituted carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond, so that the bulky PdCl2H2O unit goes to that carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond which is aesthetically least hindered. It means if the alkene used in Waker process is unsymmetrical, H2O molecule attacks on that carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond which is more substituted, so that the bulky PdCl2H2O unit goes to that carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond which is aesthetically least hindered. Here a term regioselective has been used. The chemical reaction in which one of the various possible structural isomers of the product is obtained exclusively or predominantly is called a regioselective reaction. Let us see the steps involved in this reaction. Here, the alkene coordinated to palladium is propene. It is unsymmetrical. Here, the group is CH2. Here, the group is CH. It is more substituted and it is less substituted. H2O molecule will attack on that carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond which is aesthetically more hindered. H2O attacks on CH group of carbon-carbon double bond which is aesthetically more hindered, so that this bulky group PdCl2H2O. PdCl2H2O goes to that carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond which is asterically least hindered in order to minimize asteric hindrance. H2O attacks on asterically more hindered carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond coordinated to metal so that the bulky PdCl2H2O unit goes to that carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond which is asterically least hindered. This attack, this is alpha carbon, this is beta, this beta hydroxyalkyl group sigma bonded to palladium undergoes beta hydride elimination reaction. Beta hydrogen is transferred to metal atom and here double bond develops. This vinylic alcohol tautomerizes to acetone and beta hydrogen is transferred to metal atom. This anionic complex then loses HCl, Cl minus ion, H2O and palladium, and thus the product in this case is acetone. It means if propene is used in place of ethene in the Waker process, we will get acetone instead of acetaldehyde. There is one important observation that when the reaction is carried out in heavy water, D2O, no deuterium is incorporated into the carbonyl compound produced in the reaction. If the Waker process is carried out in heavy water, that is D2O, no deuterium is incorporated in the carbonyl compound produced in the reaction. It is possible only when vinyl alcohol released by beta hydride elimination never leaves the coordination sphere of the metal until it rearranges on the metal by multiple insertion elimination mechanism. It is possible only when the vinyl alcohol released by beta hydride elimination reaction does not leave the coordination sphere of the metal until it rearranges to the carbonyl compound on the metal by multiple insertion elimination reaction as follows. This is beta hydroxy ethyl group attached to palladium atom and undergoes beta hydride elimination. Beta hydrogen is transferred to palladium atom and vinyl alcohol is obtained which does not leave the coordination sphere. Vinyl alcohol is still attached to palladium atom until it does not tautomerizes into the final product as a result of multiple insertion elimination reaction. This is beta hydroxy ethyl group attached to palladium atom. It undergoes beta hydride elimination. Beta hydrogen is transferred to palladium atom and vinyl alcohol molecule is released, but it does not leave the coordination sphere. It is still attached to the palladium atom. Thereafter, this hydrogen atom is transferred to CH2 group. As a result, CH2 group transfers into CH3 group and palladium gets attached to this carbon atom. It is alpha hydroxy ethyl group attached to palladium atom, and finally this H atom is transferred to palladium atom and vinylic alcohol is transformed into acetaldehyde. And after the formation of acetaldehyde, it leaves the coordination sphere and therefore no hydrogen atom, no deuterium atom from the reaction medium is attached to acetaldehyde. PtCl4 2- can also be used as catalyst in the Waker process because alkene ligands coordinated to Pt2 plus ion are also susceptible to nucleophilic attack by H2O molecule. PtCl4 2 minus can also be used as catalyst in Baker process because alkene ligands coordinated to Pt2 plus ion can also be attacked by H2O in nucleophilic manner. But only PdCl4 2 minus leads to the successful catalytic system. It means in Baker process, only PdCl4 2 minus can be used as catalyst and not PtCl4 2 minus. This is due to following two reasons. First of all, 4D palladium 2 complexes are more labile than corresponding 5D platinum 2 complexes. It means the ligands of 4D palladium 2 complexes can easily be replaced by other ligands in comparison to 5D Pt2 complexes. At the same time, the electrode potential for the oxidation of Pd to Pd2 is more favorable than the corresponding oxidation of Pt0 to Pt2. It means Pd0 can be oxidized to Pd2 more easily than the oxidation of Pt0 to Pt2. Let us understand it again. Palladium 2 can be oxidized to palladium 2. Palladium 0 can be oxidized to palladium 2 more easily than Pt0 to Pt2. And this is why PdCl4 2 minus is used as catalyst in Baker process. Thank you for watching the video with concentration. Please like, share and subscribe it so that you can get the information about my new video at time. Thank you again.